Hey everybody, look! It's Chewbacca in a, a space helmet. uh, don't let your lip right up on your mustache. Cut inside there. Urgh. If you touch my blueberries, I will find you. Oh. Oh. Loaded. Cement spirits. That guy's broken. Who wants to buy a spent spirit? Is Canada Day. So, in my last video that I made, I think it was my last video, I did a shout out to Richard at Choose Your Own Path, as he's a learning wood carver, and he's trying to progress on YouTube and stuff like that, and he sent me some cottonwood bark. This is a piece of the cottonwood bark he sent me. Yeah, it's goddamn Chewbacca in a spaceship helmet. But you know what? On another note, I just wanted to show you, like, this is real nice bark, man. It is. I'm not trying to sell anything for him, but he's got some videos up now saying how much he wants. I think a piece of bark like this is, what, 9 inches or under? It's like $5. But yeah, it's real nice stuff. I put a clear coat of it on there too. You can see how it broke through there. But it just goes to show you, I really don't give a shit. You know what I mean? If I gave two goddams, I wouldn't be showing you guys this Chewbacca wood spirit on this video now, would I? You know what I mean? So yeah, once again, go look up his, if you want to buy some cottonwood, or even follow him. He's a pretty good guy. He's Canadian too. I'm in British Columbia, Canada. He's in Winnipeg, Canada. It's Richard at Choose Your Own Path, and a link to his page will be listed below. Okay? So, another friend that I've made off YouTube, his name is Eddy. He is in, I believe, California. He's in California, and he loves beachcombing. He's a busybody, but he's super good guy, down to earth. And so he's been making succulent plant holders and selling them off the hook. So got me thinking, oh, okay, well, maybe I'll try and do some driftwood succulent holders. You know what I mean? Carve them out. Eddy, you should carve some stuff like this in there, like inspirational sayings. You know what I mean? I think they'd be better sellers for you, even though you sell a ton already. But I don't know. It's not really my type of thing to sell plant holders. I got like 40 of these things kicking around now that I've made. See, here's like another one. Just get a piece of driftwood and carve the holes out. This is punky wood, but I think I showed this in my other video. So, but anyways, if you want to follow his channel, he's only got 2 videos up and he's just getting going. It's Eddy, his YouTube channel is Secret Beach Trading Co. Okay? And I'll put a link down below in my descriptions too of his channel. He'll be making some more videos soon. I've been talking to him. He's a pretty great guy, and he's got some good talent. And him and his wife I think it's his wife, are into making like succulent holders, and she makes those signs too. So I think YouTube is going to open a bunch of doors for him too. So I convinced him to start a channel. So why I brought this up about Eddy is because Eddy, look at this one. I stepped up my game. This is the succulent plant holder that I made. I can't just do those normal ones. So I carved some quick flowers on there. I didn't spend too much time sanding this and making it perfect, because as you guys can see in my other videos, I've been lately doing cement molds. So I'm going to make a cement mold out of this, Eddy. What do you think, buddy? You know, I still got to put a couple more coats of clear on there so the mold won't stick to this. But yeah, I talked to my buddy Pete, the mad scientist, and he's going to help me. He said he'll help me make a professional mold out of this. You know, the silicone stuff that I was doing. It worked great, as you can see in the cement spirits that I've done earlier. But, you know, I put a bit of time into this one. It's 3 different pieces of wood. So there's one there, and one here. Okay, so this is what I started out with. You know, that makes your best wood spirit, guys, because your nose is already at the high point. Watch my other videos how to carve wood spirits. But what do you think there, Eddy? Think it's going to be a good seller? You know, guys, my buddy says it's kind of like out of the Viking. It's like a Viking grave or something that you'd put ashes in there or something. Old Viking guy. But anyways, I don't make my art to make money, guys. I make it because I want to make it. You know, you got Grumpy Jesse that doesn't want to have any more friends and just go away. You know, making things like this make me happy. And you know, guys, it's all about progressing. You know, progress. And who cares if you make bullshit like this? Somebody will buy it. You know, and I say all the time, guys, give your stuff away for free at the beginning. Keep your very first wood spirit for yourself, but give it away for free. Give it to all your friends. If you guys got good friends, they're going to be good supporters, and give them, each one of your friend, one of your first carvings so they have it. In case something happens to you anytime soon, at least they have one of your pieces. That's the way I look anyways. I've been through so much bullshit in my life. You know, so much pain and hurt. I just wanted all my friends to have one of my pieces, and I think they all pretty well do. You know what I mean? I still give them to them. Makes me happy. You know, and then so you give your pieces to your friends. So say you give 10 away. Well, think about 5 or 10 people or 20 people are going to go to that house, and they're going to... This one's foam, by the way. I just put it in the mold to try it out. But anyway, people are going to see your stuff at their house. They're going to be like, oh, where'd you get that? And they're going to be like, oh, my buddy made it. And they're going to be like, oh, can you give me his information? I'd love one. And that's how it started out for me, guys. And, you know, if I wanted to sell all my carvings, I could probably pretty well sell them and not have anything downstairs in my living room. My living room is pretty well full right now because I'm not selling to stores or anything like that. And I want to have stock for Christmas, so I'm not rushed and under the gun. Yes, why don't you just shut up? No, you shut up, Jesse, you son of a gun. Shut up. So, you guys, I want to talk about my art for a minute. My art has helped save my life. You know, when I first had my injury, I was like, I'm not going to get into my injury this video. I got my other videos. But when I first had my injury, I was like, oh no, I feel different. My head feels different. I need to do something. So I started painting. Painting didn't work out for. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you guys my very first paintings or drawings. And you can see how they're kind of bullshit. Okay? I was never an artist before I had my injury, but just stuck at home all the time. I don't. This one's upside down. It's kind of like a tree on mountains or whatever. This is just lines. This is supposed to be like koi fish scales. This is all Japanese stuff up here in a bay in there. But it's just this is what I very started doing. Yeah, this whole thing's upside down. But you can see, like, come on. If you zoom in, it's shoddier than hell. I even had to trace that star out. You guys, it's about progression. And you know, if painting doesn't work for you, try something else. This is Carrie's. I still got to get this to her. Try something else. You know what I mean? Like, painting didn't work for me. It didn't work for me. So I moved into wood carving, you know. You got to open up your mind. Okay, you have to open up your mind. If you're having a bad day and you're thinking you're surrounded by stupid people that feed you their drama, don't let other people's drama or bullshit knock you down. You have enough of your own, okay? When you got somebody that gives you drama or feeds you bullshit, bye-bye. You don't have time for that. You have time to live your own life and worry about you. You know what I mean? Just, guys, like, even for the girls, like, say if you don't think you're artistically inclined or anything, go to the dollar store, buy some little beads, buy some strings, start making beads for girls that go around the bracelets, start making necklaces. Go buy some cheap dollar store paint. Start painting. It will get your mind off the bullshit. It really will. And I'm saying this 100% and I'm living proof. You know, like, even guys, like, if you don't have all the carving tools, you know, save your money. Buy a knockoff Dremel. Buy a Wen rotary tool. Buy whatever. Buy some chisels. Here, look. Look, guys, it's chisels. Mostly all carving chisels, okay? Look, carving chisels. All these got given to me when I started carving from my friends because they said they wanted to help me. Do you know what I mean? Chisels isn't the way for me to go. But when I'm ready to start using chisels, or if I want to, I'm going to start using chisels as I got them. Go to the store, buy a chisel like this. Start chipping away at the wood. You're going to see how it takes your mind off all the bullshit. Don't let people's drama bring you down, okay? Do not. Don't let people's problems bring you down, okay? For your close friends and your family, yes, try and be there, try and help them. But don't let their everyday drama fucking bring you down, because you know what? It's goddamn bullshit, and I don't have time for it. And then when I get people constantly giving me this stuff, feeding me it, I eventually just tell them in my mind, okay, when I see them, I walk the other way. I do what's good for me, my close friends, and my family. Enjoy yourself, guys. You only live once. It's not a goddamn dress rehearsal. Okay? It's about living a happy life and doing what makes you happy. Find out what makes you happy. Learn it. Progress, get better. You will succeed. I'm still a goddamn rookie carver too, but I think this grumpy Jesse is not too bad. I'm progressing. I'm trying. I'm not giving up this time. I'm going to do it till I die. And when I die, there's going to be 20,000 of my carvings left on this world. Hey guys, I just watched the video back. And sorry, it seems like I was kind of lecturing there, but it wasn't a lecture at all. I'm just trying to point out the obvious to people. Like, you know, just live a happy life and avoid all the BS and let art find you. Try it out. Just try it and you'll see what I'm talking about.